In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check Target gift card balance. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Checking the balance remaining on a Target gift card is extremely simple. You can do this on any platform, so I am doing this on a PC through a web browser, but you can follow along through a laptop, through a smartphone, and even through the app. If you want to do it through the website, go to target.com. What you have to do is visit this specific page, so you can look for Target check gift card balance on Google, or go to target.com/guest/gift-card-balance. Like I said before, if you don't want to type out this entire URL, just look for check a gift card balance Target on Google. Make sure that you access the official website, so target.com. Once you arrive here, all that you have to do is enter the valid 15-digit gift card number and afterwards the access number. So they will give you instructions on how to find all of these. As you can see, gently remove the metallic strap on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card and the access numbers. So they will be listed here. And with access to the back of the card with the card number and the access number, you simply input them here. Sadly, I do not have a valid Target gift card active at the moment to demonstrate this with, but as soon as you include a valid card number and valid access number and you choose check balance, it is going to be displayed on screen. You can use this as many times as you wish. It doesn't matter which gift card you were given, which type, which look, you will be able to input all of these details and check it. If you are signed into a Target account, you can manage your gift cards by going over to the account page. So click on My Target, and once you go to your account page, scroll down and you will find gift cards here. All of your gift cards will be listed, and you can also use this page to check them. If you are doing this through the mobile app, the option will also be available. I hope I was able to help you on how to check Target gift card balance. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.